Made a Cash App payment you instantly regret? No worries, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to try and get your money back. Alright, first things first. Open up your Cash App on your phone. You'll want to be on this main screen where you usually send or request money. Now tap on the little clock icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your Activity tab, which is basically your Cash App transaction history. Scroll through this list and find the specific payment you want to request a refund for. Once you find it, tap on that transaction. You'll now see all the details of that specific transaction. Look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap those dots. A menu will pop up depending on the type of transaction and how long ago it occurred. You might see a refund option right here. If you see it, tap it and follow the on-screen instructions. However, this option isn't always available. If you don't see the refund option, select Need Help or Cash App Support. This will usually redirect you to Cash App's customer support resources. Here, you'll likely have to explain the situation to Cash App Support through their chat feature. Be clear, concise, and provide as much detail as possible about why you're requesting a refund. For example, if it was an incorrect amount, an unauthorized transaction, or you didn't receive the goods or services you paid for. Keep in mind that Cash App's refund policy can be a bit tricky. They generally consider transactions to be between you and the other party, so they often encourage you to try and resolve the issue directly with the person you sent the money to. But by contacting support, you're at least opening a case and documenting the issue. While there's no guarantee you'll get your money back, following these steps gives you the best chance of initiating a refund request and hopefully getting a positive resolution. Good luck!